Have you ever chosen sunrise over sleep, arm wrestled the wind, carried the sun across mountains, made a survival pact with Mother Nature? Have you ever scraped dirt off your soul, held on to nothing, asked how much longer? Have you ever yelled at a rock, peeled stories from your palms? Have you ever tasted rivers, disappeared beneath giants, been at the mercy of the elements, followed the path of adrenaline, to run harder, climb higher, push beyond the bruises? Have you ever let magic hour take you over? Shared adventure with total strangers? Have you ever been free to discover what you're capable of?